Hey there, gamers. Welcome to Tech Game Zone, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of gaming. Today, we're going to be comparing two of the most popular 3D modeling software, Maya and Blender. So, whether you're a professional game developer or just someone who's curious about 3D modeling, you're in the right place. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we love hearing your thoughts and opinions on the topics we cover. So, let's jump into it and find out which software is the best for 3D modeling. Overview of Maya and Blender. Maya is a 3D computer graphics software that's widely used in the film and video game industry. It's known for its powerful tools and features that allow artists to create complex and realistic 3D models, animations, and simulations. Maya has been around since 1998 and is developed by Autodesk. Blender, on the other hand, is a free and open-source 3D creation software. It's popular among independent artists and small studios due to its low cost and community support. Blender has a variety of tools and features that make it suitable for creating 3D models, animations, simulations, and even video editing. Modeling tools. When it comes to modeling tools, both Maya and Blender offer a wide range of options. Maya has a more traditional approach to modeling, where artists create shapes and forms using polygons, curves, and surfaces. Maya also has a robust set of tools for creating organic and hard surface models, sculpting, and retopology. Blender, on the other hand, has a unique modeling approach called mesh modeling. This method allows artists to create 3D models by manipulating a mesh of vertices, edges, and faces. Blender also has a set of tools for sculpting, retopology, and creating procedural models using nodes. Animation tools. Maya is known for its powerful animation tools, which allow artists to create complex and realistic animations. Maya has a robust set of keyframe animation tools, as well as procedural animation tools, such as dynamics and simulations. Maya also has a graph editor that allows artists to fine-tune animations with ease. Blender also has a set of animation tools that allow artists to create keyframe animations, as well as procedural animations using physics and simulations. Blender also has a unique animation feature called Grease Pencil, which allows artists to draw 2D animations directly in 3D space. User interface and learning curve. Maya has a more complex user interface compared to Blender, which can be overwhelming for beginners. However, Maya's interface is highly customizable, which allows artists to set up their workspace according to their workflow. Maya also has a steep learning curve, but once mastered, it offers a powerful set of tools and features. Blender, on the other hand, has a more user-friendly interface, which is easier for beginners to navigate. Blender's interface is also highly customizable, and artists can create their own custom layouts. Blender has a relatively lower learning curve compared to Maya, but it offers a robust set of tools and features. Conclusion. So, which one is better, Maya or Blender? The answer to this question depends on the artist's preferences, the type of project, and the budget. Maya is a powerful software that's used in the film and video game industry, but it comes with a higher price tag and a steep learning curve. Blender, on the other hand, is free and open source, and offers a robust set of tools and features that make it suitable for small studios and independent artists. And that's a wrap on our comparison of Maya and Blender for 3D modeling. We hope this video helped you understand the differences between these two powerful software, and which one might be right for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Game Zone for more gaming-related content, including tutorials, reviews, and discussions. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep gaming.